Let's learn South America map with me. This is a political map of South America. I'm going to teach you about political map of South America. So I'll make you learn and remember how to remember the South America. Okay. Let's start with. Give me a minute. Let's start with this portion I'm shading over here. This is called as French Guiana. You must be wondering, how is it French Guiana? As France is totally different from South America, but a portion of France in South America is French Guiana. In French Guiana, you need to remember two names. One is Cairo. What is Cairo? Cairo is a space launching station. It is extremely important as it comes in exams like APPSC, UPSC. It is a very well known satellite launching station. Let's erase this. So, what is the capital of French Guiana? Cairo was the space launching station. So, here comes the capital of French Guiana. It is Caen. Please note it down. French Guiana, capital Caen, a place called as Cairo, where there is a satellite launching station, just like Sriharikota in India is very famous. Now comes the second one over here. Look at me shading the part. This is called as Suriname. It is called as Suriname. How to remember Suriname is Suri, name. Let's circle name over here, and its capital is Paramaribo. How would you remember is Suriname, name, Param, Suriname, Paramaribo is how we remember this. Let's come to the third part, third country, which is, any guesses? Please comment down. This third portion is called as Guyana. The first one which we studied was French Guiana. This is Guyana. Consider it a brother of French Guiana. So, how would you remember Guyana's capital is? Let's circle Guy. Who is the guy? The guy is Georgetown. Georgetown is the capital of Guyana. The only difference between this Guyana and this Guyana is here the Guyana starts with GUY, and here the Guyana starts with GUI. Now, how do we remember this thing? This is Venezuela. Let's draw a V over here. So it would be easier for you to do mapping. So V for it is called as Venezuela. You must be knowing Venezuela. It was recently in news. So you must be seeing in the map there is a circle over here. See, I just shaded it. That circle is called as Maracaibo Lake. It is an important lake to be remembered. So, any guesses about the Venezuela's capital? Please comment down the capital of Venezuela. Now, let's go to the next part, which is Colombia. This part of South America is called as Colombia. So, how would you remember the capital of Colombia is? Colombia starts with CO and its capital starts with Bogota. So, BO and CO. Cobo, Colombia, Bogota. Next comes this small one. This is called as Ecuador. It is a very famous place for exports and imports. Ecuador. So how would you remember the the capital? The capital is Quito. Quito in the sense cute. Remember it as cute. It is small, so it is cute. So Quito. Quito is the capital of this place. Okay. Next comes Peru. So in the map, how would you remember Peru is? Draw a P over here. This is how you remember a place called as Peru. The capital of Peru is Lima. Please remember this, very important for exams. Also remember there is a place called as Nazca Plate over here in Peru. I'll just show you the spelling over here. This place has something called as Nazca Plate. Next comes this long. You must be seeing over here this thing called very long, showing in map very long. This is Chile or Chile. I don't know how to pronounce this properly. So this is called as Chile. Chile. Okay. Any guesses about the capital of Chile? Okay, I'll write. The capital of Chile is Santiago. Santiago. Next comes this place called as Argentina. This shaded portion of South America is called as Argentina. So the capital of Argentina is Buenos Aires. Next comes is this small portion. This is called as Uruguay. How would you remember Uruguay is? I was capturing a video in Uruguay. The capital is called as Montevideo. I was capturing a video in Paraguay. So the video is called as, just remember the video part. So while you are writing prelims or whatever, when it shows in the options the capital of Uruguay, so you will definitely remember it is Montevideo, right? Next comes this part. This is called Paraguay. Now remember it as Uruguay's brother is Paraguay. Okay. Capital of Paraguay is Asuncion. Asuncion. Okay. Please note it down. Next part comes the Bolivia. This portion is called as Bolivia. The capital of Bolivia is La Paz. La Paz. Then comes Brazil. This huge portion of land. This is a country named as Brazil. The capital is very, very tough. Its name is Brasilia. Brasilia. It takes people 3-4 years to remember the capital named as Brasilia. So you'll be remembering it, right? Brazil and Brasilia. Now you must be wondering what else to be learnt in this political map. So things to be noticed here are there are two countries in South America which do not share a land border with Brazil. One is Ecuador and the other is Chile. See, they have no connections with Brazil. They do not connect with Brazil. So just remember these two. So let's do one quick revision. Okay, this is French Guiana, this is Suriname, this is Guyana, this is Venezuela, this is Colombia. You know what's special about Colombia in South America? Ha, Amma. Chadukuntunam.